Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Roblox does not support admin installation. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. This error can occur if you try to install Roblox with administrator privileges. There are two solutions to this problem. One, you can delete and reinstall Roblox and open it with administrator privileges. Two, you can delete an administrator account in settings. Solution 1. Delete and reinstall Roblox and open with administrator. This is the simplest solution and it's the one that I recommend first. To do this, follow these steps. 1. Open the control panel. 2. Click on Programs and Features. 3. Find Roblox in the list of programs. 4. Click on Uninstall. 5. Follow the on-screen instructions to uninstall Roblox. 6. Once Roblox is uninstalled, go to the Roblox website and download the latest installer. 7. Run the installer as an administrator. 8. Once Roblox is installed, open the Roblox player and you should be able to play without any problems. Solution 2. Delete an administrator account in settings. If the first solution doesn't work, you can try deleting an administrator account in settings. To do this, follow the steps. 1. Open settings. 2. Click on accounts. 3. Click on family and other users. 4. Click on the name of the administrator account that you want to delete. 5. Click on remove. 6. Click on remove account and data. Once the administrator account is deleted, try installing Roblox again. This time, you should not get the error message. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon in the next video.